The HDMI handshake is the process of establishing a connection between the Xbox and TV. If it fails, no video or audio will come through. Here are some things you can try to fix HDMI handshake problems. Reset display settings. Resetting the Xbox's display settings often resolves temporary handshake errors. Go to Settings. Select General. Choose TV and Display options. Select Video Fidelity and Overscan. Choose Reset. After resetting, rerun the setup process if display issues persist. This will re-establish the handshake. Power cycle the devices. Completely powering down and restarting the Xbox and TV can clear any lingering handshake issues. Turn off the Xbox and unplug it from power for 30 seconds. Make sure your TV is off. Reconnect and turn on the Xbox. Turn on the TV. Allowing both devices to fully reboot often helps sync up the HDMI connection properly. Use a different HDMI port or cable. If the earlier troubleshooting fails, try using a different HDMI input on your TV or a different HDMI cable. Damaged ports or faulty cables are common causes of repeated handshake issues.